so you want to migrate your data from or to Jira Software. Relokia is what you need. It's an automated online service that helps you to migrate your data in a few clicks. Here's how to migrate your data from or to Jira Software. First, you need to choose your source platform and provide the access credentials. Then configure your source platform connection. Next, select your target project management platform and fill in the access credentials. Then configure your target connection as well. Moving forward, you need to specify what data you'd like to migrate. You can choose separate records or all at once. First, match user profiles. Right after you click on the box next to Issues, you will see a pop-up where you need to set up the mapping of Issues fields. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Then do the same with subtasks. Once the basic setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. When you're ready, hit that Final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can migrate such data as tasks along with comments, attachments, tags, and custom fields, statuses, subtasks, and users. You can migrate from or to such project management systems as Monday.com, Smartsheet, and Rike. Ready to migrate? Click Get It Now and try a free demo.